Hello everyone. Imagine this. You are driving home after work, crossing a bridge you have used for years without a second thought. Suddenly, the news flashes on your phone. That same bridge has collapsed. Lives lost, traffic paralyzed, and a city thrown into a chaos. Or think about a scorching summer day when the power grid fails, leaving hospitals without electricity and millions of people stranded in the heat. These are not just stories from the past. They are constant reminders that our public infrastructure is fragile. Roads, bridges, airports, pipelines, and power systems form the invisible backbone of society. Yet they are under continuous stress from natural disasters, aging, and neglect. The real question is, how do we protect these assets before disaster strikes? That is where ISO 55001 comes in. This international standard for asset management is not just a technical guideline. It is a global safeguard. It helps governments, cities, and organizations transform fragile systems into resilient infrastructure that can withstand shocks, recover faster, and serve citizens reliably. Today, we will uncover how ISO 55001 works behind the scenes to protect public assets and why it might be the single most important standard you have never heard of. What is resilient infrastructure? Resilient infrastructure is the ability of public assets to withstand disruptions and continue functioning under stress. It is not about avoiding failures altogether, but about ensuring systems can absorb shocks, whether from natural disasters, climate change, or simple wear and tear, and bounce back quickly. How ISO 55001 strengthens public assets. One of the key strengths of ISO 55001 lies in risk identification. Instead of waiting for a disaster, asset managers proactively track conditions and vulnerabilities. An aging city water pipeline, for example, can be replaced before it bursts, saving millions and preventing shortages. It also emphasizes preventive maintenance rather than reacting to failures. Infrastructure is kept in optimal shape through regular inspections and predictive analytics. Singapore's metro system is a great example where scheduled maintenance programs significantly reduced disruptions. ISO 55001 further enhances financial resilience by ensuring every public investment is accountable and cost-efficient. Citizens benefit where taxpayer money is spent wisely, with assets lasting longer and performing better. Lastly, it builds public trust through transparency. Citizens can access clear, trackable records of inspections, investment, and improvements. Preparing for future challenges with ISO 55001. The future of infrastructure resilience will be powered by both technology and standards. With AI, IoT, sensors, and drones, asset managers can detect issues long before failure occurs. ISO 55001 complements this by providing the governance framework to act effectively on data. Climate change poses a growing threat from rising seas to extreme weather. ISO 55001 helps cities plan, adapt, and strengthen their infrastructure against these unpredictable forces. As smart cities evolve, ISO 55001 ensures that both digital and physical infrastructure are not only efficient but also safe and sustainable. Resilient infrastructure is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. ISO 55001 acts as the silent guardian, keeping bridges standing, lights shining, and water flowing. Governments and organizations that embrace this standard extend the life of public assets, save money, improve safety, and earn the trust of their citizens. The ultimate question is, will we act now or wait for the next disaster to remind us of what resilience really means? The future of public infrastructure depends on the decisions made today, and ISO 55001 is the framework that can guide us towards a safer, stronger, and more resilient tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.